let's write the letter F. So magic markers up. Hug. Okay, lowercase f. Hug. And the last time. Hug. Okay, let's write it. Hug. And again. Hug.